Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the September Look Fantastic box, so let's check it out. Look Fantastic is sent to me to review, but you will always get my honest review. I will put a link below if after seeing it you have any interest in going over and checking it out. It is normally $19 if you pay month over month. If you do a 3-month subscription, it comes down to $18, 6 months, $17. If you do a year, it comes down to $16. But the beauty of Look Fantastic is if you sign up for a year, you don't have to pay for the year in advance. You just pay month after month, but you get the discounted rate. I love that it's blue. Isn't it so pretty this month? The back is kind of a seafoam minty green. So pretty. All right, when we open it up, this is what it looks like. We'll have our book that will give us all the information that we need. And then, wait for it, here we go. And that is what we have on the inside. Look Fantastic comes out monthly, but they do a lot of specialty boxes also. They do an advent calendar, and I will have the advent calendar to show you guys pretty soon. Advent calendars are starting to pop out there, so be aware if that's something you're after. I have ordered several, but they do it like a pre-order, so I don't know that I will have them. Even if I show them to you the minute that I get them, I can't be certain that they won't sell out first. So if Advents are something you think you have any interest in, now is the time to start thinking about them. Also, I know this has nothing to do with Look Fantastic, but I'm gonna add some different calendars. I ordered the Rituals one. You know, we get the Rituals of Sakura in our Boxycharm a lot. I've ordered their entire box. I ordered a Marshmallow Advent. How can you not? Anyway, back to Look Fantastic. Stay focused, Kathrin. So it says, Beauty Edit, Celebrate Good Times. And then it just says 09, so we know it is the September box. And that is what the front looks like. And when we open it up, we will have, not that page, everything that's inside right there. Let's dig into it. First out of the box, we have the Christoph Robin. Yay, I love Christoph Robin. I've told this story a million times. I think I've tried everything that he does. I have really liked it all. The only thing that I did not care for was the clay scrubbing, I guess it was a shampoo, but it was like clay. I had a hard time. That's the only one I haven't loved. This is the Hydrating Melting Mask. My hair could use a mask. Also, I don't love my hair today. I had it really curly from my beach waver, and I sprayed, review time. I sprayed the Voir hairspray on it, and it was so sticky. I'm gonna do an empties and reviews soon, and that'll be in it. But anyway, so I had to brush it out, and now, can you tell we're gonna lack a little focus today? Christoph Robin Hydrating Melting Mask. It is 1.3 fluid ounces, and it says with aloe vera. Hydrated hair, shiny, and plumped lengths. Love that. Let's see what it smells like. It is just a white kind of lotion. It's almost like a face lotion. That's about what this feels like. It's just creamy and nice. Turns into a liquid pretty quickly. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like, it smells like the Christoph Robin Salt Scrub. If you like the Christoph Robin Salt Scrub like I do, I can't use it real often because it is very cleansing and my hair is so fragile. This really puts me in the mind of it. I have one right here. You know what? I was like, I have one right there. Let's see. I want to see if I'm remembering. Okay, not twins, but definitely sisters. Yes, this would be, if you like this salt scrub, which this is the Christoph Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. And like I said, it's not in this box. This was not in this box. I just took it from back there to make the point that it smells a lot like this, which is in the box. So this one is in the box. And if you like the Christoph Robin Salt Scrub, it smells a lot like it. Okay, next out of the box, I have the Beauty Pro Brightening Sheet Mask. Collagen, vitamin C, aloe vera. Brightens complexion and improves elasticity, targets fine lines and wrinkles. It looks quite lovely. I will slip it into a giveaway because you guys know I can't use vitamin C. But it is such, if you can, it's such a good product for brightening your skin. And let me tell you what the paperwork says about this, and then we'll go back to that Christoph Robin that I could not stay focused on. This says, what is it? A youth-inducing sheet mask enriched with an abundance of anti-aging ingredients that are suitable for all skin types. Your skin will appear rejuvenated and brighter in just 15 minutes. Sounds lovely. Now, The Christoph Robin Hydrating Melting Mask says it is an intense hair mask infused with 98% natural ingredients to lock in moisture and leave you with luminous locks, ideal for dry, brittle hair, free from paraben and phthalates. And I giggle because whenever something says like 98% natural ingredients, my mind immediately goes to, what's the other 2%? It's just where my brain lives. Next out, we have an Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant. I am on board for that. Specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, rough skin, or ingrown hairs. And that is what it looks like. And this is 1.6 fluid ounces. And the paperwork says, specially formulated to combat keratosis pilaris, the bumpy chicken skin-like texture that often shows up on the back of arms or legs. This moisturizer is the secret to smooth and supple skin. And it has lactic acid, shea butter, and coconut oil. Here's the good news. I can use lactic acid on my body. It's only my face what can't take it. So it's a very, very loose lotion. That's what it looks like. Oh, did I say lotion? No. I didn't. I said body exfoliant. I was like, oh, this is a little gritty for a lotion. I don't think I'm gonna care for this. No, but it feels like it will be a lovely exfoliant. The back of my hands are so dry. I've been coming and going so much this week that I really hand washed more than I had been, and I haven't been as dutiful as I used to be with my hand lotion, so it could use this. I'm just rubbing it all over. It feels really good. So it has grit, and then it has lactic acid too. I can't wait to see what this does for my hand. So it's kind of like baby powder. Very light, powdery scent, quite nice. Next out of the box, we have a Mina 575 The Color Pen Eyeliner. And I guess 575 is my color because there's nothing else on here that says a color. But that is what it looks like. And it's a very fine tip. Oh, and you can go from fine to thick. You guys can tell, even on my hand, I'm spectacular at eyeliner. I love that it's brown. All of the ones that we get are always black. I was trying to do a real, oh yeah, I will definitely, see how thin I got that bottom one? I will definitely be able to tight line with this. I am very excited about that. And despite the back of my hand being incredibly dry, this is not bleeding out into the lines, and that is fantastic. The paperwork says it is a pigmented, easy-to-use liquid pen eyeliner, perfect for achieving the wide range of liner looks from cat eye to graphic lines, with a superfine and flexible precision tip that glides slowly over the eye. Long-lasting, quick-drying, and smudge-free. And it dries down really quickly. I mean, I'm going over it, and I don't think it's smearing at all. You can sometimes tell better in editing, but I don't think that's going anywhere. I will absolutely try this. Like I said, I'm kind of excited to have a brown. Everything else we get is black. All right, next out of the box, we have an SVR Palpebral Cream, and it's hyaluronic acid plus omega-3, 6, and 9. I don't know what is that word I said? Palpebral? I don't know what that means. I was checking on the back to make sure the back wasn't in, English and it meant something else, but no. It is 15 ml, and the paperwork says a calming, soothing eye cream that will provide your delicate eye area with up to 24 hours of hydration. Its velvet texture helps to reduce redness and irritation for a more comfortable eye area. You guys know I am all about anything that says that it gets rid of redness and irritation. So it's just a nice little tube. Put some on the back of this nicely exfoliated hand. I have an SVR cream that I have tried a couple of times. I'm trying to finish off a different moisturizer right now, but I have an SVR cream that I have tried a couple of days while I've been using the other one, and I like it a lot. It doesn't irritate my skin, so I am always about trying new. That might be like one of my favorite skincare things. Eye creams. I love to find an eye cream that I really love that doesn't irritate my eyes at all. It absorbed really quickly, and it left my hand very hydrated. Definitely gonna try that. Of course, I haven't read the ingredients on any of this, so fingers crossed. And last out of the box, and this was our spoiler last month, and it is a By Terry lip balm. I have actually tried this before, and I like it. I know that some people who are trying it are not loving it because it does have a rose scent. I only have on a very nude lip gloss right now, so we'll put this over it, but it says it's a nourishing lip balm enriched with By Terry's signature formula for softening your skin whilst adding an enviable shine. It is shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E. I think I finished the last one of these that I got. Yeah, It is, if you're like on the fence about rose or you absolutely don't like rose, this is not for you. It absolutely has a old-fashioned rosy scent. I do enjoy the way it feels though. I enjoy it so much. And it's just a gloss. I can absolutely smell the rose coming off my lips. It has a little bit of a rosy taste too. Yes, if you are not a fan of rose, this is probably not the one for you. But if you are, I like it very much, and it feels nice. It feels to me more like an oil than a gloss. Well, they called it a lip balm, but it feels like that to me. It doesn't feel, it's not tacky like a gloss. But yes, the flavor does get in your mouth and it's absolutely rosy. So that is the September Look Fantastic box. I was just looking at the back to see if we could get next month's spoilers. Yes, for the October box, we are looking ahead to getting into the festive period and getting our skin and body prepped. Oh, it is the Rituals, the Ritual of Mare Body Cream, and it's 70 ml. They say it's worth 10 pounds. This is the brand whose box I just ordered, their advent calendar, and they are acting like they're shipping it super quick. So hopefully I will receive it quickly and can show it to you guys before it sells out. So this will be in next month's box. I've tried to let you know the prices down below. There is no pricing in this, but I can't help but think this is a full-sized eye cream. So I have to think that this probably covers the price of the box. And it's the SVR Palpable Cream. We have the By Terry Lip Balm that feels very nice, but everything about it says rose. This is the Ameliorate Smoothing Body Exfoliant, nice and gritty. Back of my hand feels really good. I love to exfoliate, and since my face is so sensitive, I kind of take it out on my body. This is the Christoph Robin Hydrating Melting Mask, and it smells kind of like the Salt Scrub if you happen to have one of those in your collection. We received the Mina, or is it, no. Did I say Mina? I always say Mina because that's what it kind of looks like if you take each of those letters and make it straight, but I think it's 3 in a. I think it's 3 in a now that I've said Mina. Eyeliner and the Beauty Pro Brightening Sheet Mask. Let me know below what you think. I like it. I will use absolutely everything in it except for the brightening sheet mask, which I will pass along just because it has vitamin C in it and I have super sensitive skin. That's a win for me. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will put my link below with my code Kathrin if you have any interest in checking it out. They'll give you a discount with the code. And by the way, and I mean it with all of my boxes, but I'll say it since we're here talking about codes. I don't know, am I an affiliate with anyone? I was, but I don't know that I am now with anybody. I do get some boxes sent to me for review, but if ever you are uncomfortable with links, don't even, just go over to the website, do it all on your own. I completely understand some people aren't comfortable with links. I get it. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.